The future of industrial gas supply is shifting from deliveries to on-site generation. So, who is shaping the gas generator market? Lind leads the market with an 11% share, supported by its global expertise in industrial gases and on-site generation solutions. Air Liquide follows with 8%, while Air Products and Chemicals holds 5%. Atlas Copco and Peak Scientific Instruments complete the top 5 with 4% each, reflecting their strong presence in industrial and laboratory gas generation technologies. What makes this market stand out is the shift toward on-site gas generation, helping industries improve efficiency, reliability, and operational flexibility. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.